Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 Introduction. Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 is a visual and graphical application primarily used for creating presentations. With PowerPoint, you can create, view, and present slideshows that combine text, shapes, pictures, graphs, animation, charts, videos, and much more. Exciting new audio and visual capabilities help you tell a crisp, cinematic story that's as easy to create as it is powerful to watch. Salient features: create, manage, and collaborate with other people. Enrich your presentations with video, picture, and animations. Deliver and share your presentations more effectively. Enables you to work simultaneously with other people, or post your presentation online and access it from virtually anywhere using the web or your smartphone. Embed and edit video from within PowerPoint. Basics of Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Getting started. The following steps will teach you how to start Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 application. Click Start button in the taskbar. Click All Programs option from the menu. Search for Microsoft PowerPoint from the sub-menu and click. This will launch Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 application as shown below. Know Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. In this lesson, you will learn your way around the PowerPoint 2010 environment, including getting to know the new Backstage view. We will also show you how to use and modify the ribbon and the Quick Access toolbar, in addition to learning how to create new presentations and open existing files. If you're familiar with Microsoft PowerPoint 2007, then you will notice there are not too many changes to the 2010 interface other than the Backstage view, which we will cover later in this lesson. However, if you're new to PowerPoint, you will first need to take some time to learn about slides and how to navigate through PowerPoint. How to navigate Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 to create a slide presentation. Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 uses slides to build a presentation. In order to create an engaging presentation, it allows you to add text, bulleted lists, images, charts, video, and more to your slides. You can add as many slides as you'd like to a presentation, and at any time you can view or play back your presentation by selecting one of the slideshow play options. Click the buttons in the interactive below to learn how to navigate and interact with slides in the PowerPoint window. Your Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 environment. The ribbon and the Quick Access toolbar are where you will find the commands you need to do common tasks in PowerPoint. If you're familiar with PowerPoint 2007, you will find that the main difference in the PowerPoint 2010 ribbon is that commands such as Open and Print are now housed in Backstage view. The ribbon. The ribbon contains multiple tabs, each with several groups of commands. Some tabs like drawing tools or table tools may appear only when you're working with certain items like images or tables. In addition, you can add your own customized tabs that contain your favorite commands. Certain programs such as Adobe Acrobat Reader may install additional tabs to the ribbon. These tabs are called add-ins. To customize the ribbon, you can customize the ribbon by creating your own tabs that house your desired commands. Commands are always housed within a group, and you can create as many groups as you need to keep your tabs organized. In addition, you can even add commands to any of the default tabs as long as you create a custom group within the tab. 1. Right-click the ribbon and select Customize the ribbon. A dialog box will appear. 2. Click New tab. A new tab will be created with a new group inside it. 3. Make sure the new group is selected. 4. Select a command from the list on the left, then click Add. You can also drag commands directly into a group. 5. When you're done adding commands, click OK. To minimize and maximize the ribbon. The ribbon is designed to be responsive to your current task and easy to use. But if you find it is taking up too much of your screen space, you can minimize it. 1. Click the arrow in the upper right corner of the ribbon to minimize it. 2. To maximize the ribbon, click the arrow again. When the ribbon is minimized, you can make it reappear by clicking on a tab. However, the ribbon will disappear again when you're not using it. The Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar is located above the ribbon, and it lets you access common commands no matter which tab you're on. By default, it shows the Save, Undo, and Repeat commands. You can add other commands to make it more convenient to you. To add commands to the Quick Access Toolbar. 1. Click the drop-down arrow to the right of the Quick Access Toolbar. 2. Select the command you wish to add from the drop-down menu. To choose from more commands, select More commands. To Backstage View. 1. Click the File tab. 2. You can choose an option on the left side of the page. 3. To get back to your document, just click any tab on the ribbon. Click the buttons in the interactive below to learn about the different things you can do in Backstage View. And opening presentations. PowerPoint files are called presentations. Whenever you start a new project in PowerPoint, you'll need to create a new presentation. You'll also need to know how to open an existing presentation. To create a new, blank presentation. 1. Click the File tab. This takes you to Backstage View. 2. Select New. 3. Select Blank Presentation under Available Templates and Themes. It will be highlighted by default. 4. Click Create. A new blank presentation appears in the PowerPoint window. Creating a new presentation. To save time, you can create your presentation from an Office.com template, which you can also select under Available Templates and Themes. To open an existing presentation. 1. Click the File tab. This takes you to Backstage View. 2. Select Open. The Open dialog box appears. 3. Select your desired presentation and then click Open. If you've opened the existing presentation recently, it may be easier to choose Recent from the File tab instead of Open to search for your presentation. Compatibility Mode. Sometimes you may need to work with presentations that were created in earlier versions of Microsoft PowerPoint, such as Microsoft PowerPoint 2003 or Microsoft PowerPoint 2000. When you open these kinds of presentations, they will appear in Compatibility Mode. Compatibility Mode disables certain features, so you'll only be able to access commands found in the program used to create the presentation. For example, if you open a presentation created in Microsoft PowerPoint 2003, you can only use tabs and commands found in Microsoft PowerPoint 2003. In the image below, the workbook has opened in Compatibility Mode. Many of the newer slide transitions have been disabled and only the 2003 transitions are available. In order to exit Compatibility Mode, you'll need to convert the presentation to the current version type. However, if you're collaborating with others who only have access to an earlier version of PowerPoint, it's best to leave the presentation in Compatibility Mode so that the format will not change. To convert a presentation. If you want access to all of the PowerPoint 2010 features, you can convert the presentation to the 2010 file format. Note that converting a file may cause some changes to the original layout of the presentation. 1. Click the File tab to access Backstage View. 2. Locate and select Convert command. 3. The Save As dialog box will appear. Select the location where you wish to save the workbook. Enter a file name for the presentation and click Save. 4. The presentation will be converted to the newest file type.